Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today, we got healthy food featuring quiche and friends.
Healthy food? Does this mean we're going to McDonald's?
Healthy living, 3-bean salad, potato salad, fruits, vegetable quiche, and some seafood on the side. All right, for the quiche, it's all about the dough. You know what that means. All right, let's go. Okay, pull your butter out of the freezer, cut it up into pieces, screen your pastry flour, knife it up a little, water, and then use your hands. You really have to work it, break it around there. It's all about keeping it cold. And don't add so much that it's going to be muck. Add it later, like now. And then, of course, make your snowball, quarter them up, add oil, and then put 2 together because you're making a big quiche, and then roll them out. And it's the same as pasta. Roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, until you get it down to the, where you want it. And then you got so many layers out, you're going to get it ready. All right, sunflower oil, white cornmeal. Look at how it responds. See, it's such beautiful dough. And that's the secret with everything, is the dough. Anyways, pinch the edges, fork it up, throw it in the oven, 325 until it's done. Keep an eye on it. Oh, what's this? We have more left. Well, what are we doing now? Blueberries, cheddar, cardamom, calzone. Okay, peaches and cream? Not really. This is healthy living. Cottage cheese, peaches, maple syrup, cinnamon. And then we're going to dress up that plate with raspberry compote, bananas, yogurt, and then top it off with chocolate, of course, powdered chocolate. Yeah. Okay, back to quiche. Now, we're just going to be braising the scallops here because you don't want to overcook seafood. That's the worst thing you can possibly do. And then, of course, the cherry tomatoes from the garden, mushrooms, let them melt a little, spinach, let them melt a little. It's all al dente. Okay, spread it out. Throw on your scallops, peppers, eggs, cheese, mozzarella, and then into the oven, 350 for however long it takes, pretty much 15 minutes. Potato salad, make it the way your mom used to. Same with the 3-bean salad. This is a cheddar Cayenne 3-bean salad. Oh, look at that baby. Pretty nice. Okay, speaking of poivre, we're going to be doing the swordfish. That's white, black, green, and Sichuan peppers we're crushing up here. And use the side of your pan like that. You wouldn't believe how good they smell. And then we're going to throw those things on, let them pan fry for a little while, flip them, and then it's time to flambe with some Grand Marnier. Okay, we're plating it up on my usual bed of spinach. There it is, swordfish au poivre. Quiche and friends. What more can you ask for? Healthy food for a good living. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.